This is Christmas Memories. Christmas Memories was about a time and a period of our lives. Maybe you're not old enough to remember it, but you've heard stories from Grandma and Grandpa or your mom and dad. The memories here are vintage, they're nostalgic with some retro feeling to it. Last year we introduced a look in our farm that had a little bit of a cookie story going on. Well, we've listened to you and we've expanded that story, and you'll find it here in Christmas Memories. The cookie pattern, as you can see, some of our exclusive pieces, such as the wreath on the wall, are layered cookies in a resin format. We have some new artwork that also has that same pattern with it. Some new hand towels or maybe a runner. Some new trees with the stacked cookies. You'll find a lot of new retro looking metal pieces too, as this deer that's pulling the sleigh with the packages. A new snowman, and what I think is interesting about him is, hang on, he has a light feature. His tree lights up. Our baking story continues here in Christmas Memories. As you can see, some of our new items. We have a stand here that would hold your favorite recipe or your cookbook. There's a new rolling pin planter. I think maybe you could put even a few Christmas cards in there. It'd be really cute to have in your kitchen on the counter. Some new cookie cutouts that are standing pieces, and they look like they're made out of cookie dough, and the center is opaque. You can see through it. I think it might be interesting even to put a little tea light behind it and let it glow and shine through the night. Some new little country mice that would be nice to have in our kitchen to help us cook through the holidays. And some new little trees that are sort of a little funky, a little whimsical there, and they have that beautiful shade of Grinch green. Christmas Memories also has that vintage side to the story that I think is just beautiful. It has a rustic feel to it, but it's all about the Toyland. And we have trains in there, some of our new pull toys of the horses on wheels that were all toys that were popular back in mid-century. And who brings our toys to us? No one but Santa. And here we've got some great looking new Santas with packages, vintage looking, a little Victorian, or maybe you like one that's a little more hand carved and with that rustic feel to it. And we also have some resin pieces with just Santa and the Christmas tree. Christmas Memories is a special place, and it takes us all back into time.